Good morning, guys. Vintage Man here. As you can see again, it's 10 past 6. So I started cooking at 5:45. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. We don't do, what do you call it? Cuts or edits, because he doesn't know how to do it because he's the vintage man. This is my vice in the morning, that and black coffee. Real man. So there you go, guys. That's breakfast. 5 eggs, whole eggs, because we need that fat for the cholesterol. You've been spoon-fed. Whole eggs are bad for you by the industry. Not true. Research. So Vintage Man has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals a day. He does like his black coffee in the morning and his Indonesian quality cigar. And also I incorporate chicken liver and beef liver into my diet because very, very nutritional. High in calories, high in iron, high in nutrients. It's a superfood. So guys, get into it. So I'm going to ask you a question, guys. Let's have a little game this morning. What do you think Vintage Man is going to cook for his last meal of the day? Because I usually have 5. So there you go, guys. I'll leave it up to you. If you follow my channel, you'll know exactly what Vintage Man does love, and it's missing his famous ingredients. Can someone tell me in the comments below what that ingredient is? So 5 eggs again. These little black babies are chia seeds. Excellent for reducing your cholesterol. Excellent, and reducing tummy fat. They're also a superfood. What we have in the box is Katawi noodles, the healthiest and lowest carbohydrate noodle in the world. Please research them. I always use green beans because a Vintage Man doesn't like his vegetables, but he incorporates them into his daily diet. I always use fresh chili, fresh ginger, and chicken because we're on a budget, guys. I incorporate chicken liver once again and beef liver. So all my meals, guys, I cook on a budget. So let's talk about the 5 eggs. I'm a Bali expat. So 5 eggs, I buy an egg for around 2,000 ribu IDR. So that breakfast would be 10,000 for the eggs and the liver. It's 30K for 1 kilo of baby chicken liver. And that's 100 grams, so that would be 3,000. So Vintage Man's breakfast is 13K. And I wash it down with a black coffee. But I'm a big lover of Indonesia. I support Indonesia through and through, so I always drink Indonesian coffee. None of this imported rubbish. And Vintage Man only supports the Indonesian cigar industry because I know Indonesia has the best tobacco, best cigars, and the best male barbers in the world. So there you go. There is a daily. This is the daily food for Vintage Man this Sunday. And because Sunday, and I got up at I started prepping this at 5:45, and it is now 6:15. Okay, and we're off to church today, to Hillsong Bali, to sing some worship music. So here we go, guys. There we go, guys. So I've had some references that I look too skinny and unwell. That's like sour grapes to Vintage Man. He's very, very healthy. For a 55-year-old male who trains every day and incorporates fitness, gym into his daily life, I highly recommend guys my age and women and young guys to incorporate my lifestyle. So please follow my channel. And furthermore, so you know the deal, like and subscribe, guys. Furthermore as well, I incorporate usually 2 or 3 pieces of fresh fruit into my diet, and usually I use seasonal fruit on a budget. Usually in Europe we call them nashi pears, but here they call them pears. At the moment you can get them for around about 10K a kilo, and that would give you 4. So 1 pear would be 2,500 ribu. So times 3, that's another 17. What's that? 7,500 ribu IDR. So Vintage Man lives on a very strict budget. And I'm teaching you guys, it's not expensive like a lot of people who are overweight. I've been in the fitness industry for a long time. I've always been quite a high level fitness guy. most people who talk about it's too healthy, it's too expensive to eat healthy, are usually people who gorge themselves on junk food and looking for an excuse. So guys, I'm more than happy to help you guys get into a healthier lifestyle. So I'm just proving to you guys once again, it's not expensive to eat healthy. All right, guys, I love you all. Peace. God bless you on this glorious Sunday. Many blessings.